Hi there everyone. So I want to share with you a recipe with green and white asparagus. I never tried it before. We're doing it together right here. So I'll be using, after you washed, put your asparagus in a tray, and I'm going to use sea salt. I'm going to put it, okay. Then I'm going to take black pepper. Put as much as you like and to your own taste. So, okay, that's that. Now I have Mrs. Dash Italian medley. I'm going to sprinkle that as well. Again, it depends on your taste and how much you will want to add. Okay. So once you have that all done, you're going to take the Panko Japanese breadcrumbs and you're going to put it as much as you want again. Just sprinkle it over to get it crispy, and with that here, just sprinkle it over. So it's going to be crunchy, hopefully then. Since we're doing this together right now. Never tried it. We'll see what's going to be. Okay. So if you love asparagus, this might be really fun thing to try out. Okay. So that's that. And then I'm going to take extra virgin basil and garlic flavored oil. And I'm going to just drizzle over here. Okay. Okay, so then again, this also the amount that you want. Okay. So you're gonna put it in for about 20 minutes. You have to see, depends on your stove, for 375. So 20 and up depends how your stove works. I'm sorry, your oven works. Sorry for that. And I'm not gonna cover it. I'm gonna just put it right like this. So let's see what happens. Thank you for staying with me. Bye.